guys, so basically this morning in the kitchen we have celery, cucumber, ginger and lime. We're gonna make a nice lovely juice right here, okay? Beautiful juice which you can drink in the morning or whatever time of the day you like to drink it. But celery is just amazing to have. It's an allergy, so you're gonna have to be careful. You can replace this with apple, pineapple, whatever you like to replace it with if you're allergic to this one. Let's show you how to make it. So we go to our blender, okay? Hopefully you guys can see it's a little bit it's all right. So we put our celery, cucumber, ginger and lime. I'm going to put the remaining ingredients as it goes on. Okay, now here it goes. Let's chuck everything into the blender. I'm using a large pack of celery. Make sure you wash it before you use it. I got at least 3 more packs for 3 more morning, which I'm gonna be using also. Excellent. So because I know Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, it's going to be straight detox juice. Yeah. Now what we're gonna do, simple, let's put a little bit of water inside of it, roughly about 1/2 cups of water. You don't want to put too much. And then put on the lid. Look at that, really filled up. So it's all but again. And that's the way it look. All right, and what we're gonna do, we're going to make some nice and blend it up, okay? Before we blend, just remind you can get yourself a copy of my book on Amazon, 50% off, okay? Good vibes. Yeah, so let's blend this and make some noise. Excellent. So this is how it look. You don't have to strain it, okay? Yeah, but if you're looking for a lighter drink, then this is what I normally do, but you don't have to. If you're looking for a lighter drink, you can strain it, okay? And it's a beautiful drink to have in the morning if you're looking for something good. This one right here. Very good for weight loss and also very good for detoxing of your whole entire body. Okay, very good. I love celery. So this you don't have to throw away this right here. You can keep it. Sometimes I just go with it and I go back into this. Okay, and just give that a little bit of a mix, and then I will just simple pour it out like this into my cup. Okay, but as I said, this is it. You can use your favorite juicer, but I like to use a blender. is option. Whatever you like to use, you can also use it. All right. So yeah, hope you guys will just enjoy it, and yeah, leave your comments. Tell me what do you think about this on an amazing, incredible juice recipe this morning. Okay, a good vibes. Yeah. I'll give it a try and see how it tastes. You know, it's, you know, I mean, if you make something, you're supposed to can taste it. And yeah, hopefully it tastes the way it look. All right. Now, for the rest of the week, we will be making juices like these. So yeah, join me for free and let's do this together. Cheers. Wow. That is amazing. Wow. Tastes really good. The flavor of the celery really strong in it. Wow. That was it. That tastes amazing, guys. So it's just celery, cucumber, ginger, and lime. It tastes so delicious. Beautiful. And I'm gonna be drinking juice for the rest of the week, so you can join me for free and let's do this together. All right, every morning I normally drink some juice, but depends upon the kind of juice what you're drinking, because some juice got a lot of sugar, so you don't want to be doing that. Okay, be careful of some of those sweet juice, because you don't want to start something sweet in the morning for getting energy. It's better for you to drink something like, you know, these what I just drink, these alkaline, like celery, cucumber. It's got a little bit of a sugar, but not sweet enough where like other rest of fruits. Okay, because you want to try and manage your glucose in the morning. A good vibe. I will see you tomorrow morning with more recipes and more ideas. For the rest of the next few days, we will be making bay juice. So join me for free to boost up your immune system and strengthen the immune system with natural juice. You don't have to use a blender. If you got a juicer, you can use your juicer, but I prefer a blender. Okay, yes, because you get some bits and pieces in this, like some of the fiber in this right here. Good vibes. Have a blessed day, and I see you in chapter 2.